Hello students, this is Krupa Lakhani. I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll learn Chapter 1 Computer, a Machine. Computer is a very useful machine. It is used almost everywhere, such as in schools, homes, shops, offices, banks, hospitals. It has become an important part of our lives. A computer has some wonderful features that make it different from a human being. Let us understand difference between computer and man. A computer stores large amount of information and never forgets it. A man may forget the information stored in his mind. A computer works very fast. A man needs more time to do any work. A computer does not make any mistake. A man makes mistakes. A computer does not get tired and can work for long hours. A man needs rest after working some time. A computer cannot take its own decisions. A man can take his own decisions. A computer works on man's orders. A man does not need any order to work. A computer does not have any feelings, whereas a man has feelings. Uses of computers in different fields. You must have seen computers at many places. In home, computers are used for searching information on any topic, playing games, doing homework. At schools, computers are used for making timetable, report cards, doing practical work in lab. Shops and offices, computers are used for typing and printing bills, keeping records of items. In hospitals, computers are used for keeping record of patients, preparing medical reports. In banks, computers are used for keeping account details, taking out money from ATMs. And designing, computers are used to design clothes, cars, machines, buildings, etc. In railway stations and airports, computers are used for booking tickets, keeping records of passengers. In space and research, computers are used for finding information about space, sending rockets into space, learning new skills. Computers are used to learn how to drive a car, fly an aeroplane, learning different languages, cooking, etc. Computers come in many shapes and size. First, desktop. Desktop computers are big in size. They are kept on the desk. Second, laptop computer. Laptop computers are small in size. It can be kept on our lap. A laptop computer can be carried around easily. Third, tablet computer. Tablet computer is larger than mobile phone. It has a touch screen on which you can write using a special purpose pen. Fourth, smartphone. Smartphone is a mobile phone that lets you make calls, send messages and store phone numbers. It can also be used to share images and videos, read emails and search for information on the internet. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed learning about computers. Keep learning, keep growing.